Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, Adi.
Hello, Abby. I did not listen to me.
Say it again. Mm. Mm.
You really love your sister, huh?
Yeah, Abby's so cute
So cute.
and so beautiful.
Ah, and so
and
cute.
so beautiful. So Abby is pretty.
Oh,
So pretty, Abby.
so pretty, Adik.
Would you go to the doctor? You live on the house.
You live in the house. Oh, how about
Umutot.
Oh, oh, you smell Ading. Tingnan mo nga kung mabango si Ading.
Smells Ading's popo.
Yo, yuck. It's ducky.
Yeah.
It smells good. Are you gonna have Mama clean her butt? What do you think?
Watch out.
I didn't swear.
Ito parang lumit.
I think Ading is smiling at you, ano?
Yeah.
As he said, oh, this is my noisy
Oo, ito
kuya.
yung ginagawa niya. Oh. Pinagtsakan ako.
So, Abby's waking up.
Ading is waking up. Do you love your Ading, anak?
So, Abby's
Thank you.
so pretty, Mama.
Oh, they think she's pretty just like Mama.
Yeah. But what's this and what's this? What's this? What's this?
I don't know.
What's this?
Love you.
What's this?
That's
Tingnan mo sumusunod yung
Owen.
mata mo.
Hindi, tingnan ko.
It's
Ano?
abundant.
A what?
Abundant.
Love you.
Abundant.
Tignan mo, pinupush yung katawan mo.
So, Abby's so
Don't touch her.
cute.
Don't touch her lips or her eyes, okay?
Yeah, so Ading is so cute na naman.
He's cute. Ma,
Hmm.
his Abby's so pretty.
Yeah.
Why is this pretty?
Because look at Mommy. Look. Do you think Mommy is pretty?
Yeah.
Is that why your Ading is pretty?
Yeah.
See? How about you? Are you pretty?
No, I'm not pretty.
What are you then? You're handsome.
Yeah.
Handsome.
I don't have something to change. That's too big for me.
Ah, that's
This
good.
is small for me.
Ah, that's good. Okay. Palagi nakabantay ang bibihisan daw ni Papa niya. Yung upuan na yan, yung papatungan niya. Siya kumuha niyan kasi gusto niya makita si Ading niya na binibihisan. Kaya yan. Nag-improvise siya ng papatungan niya.